I'd like to say good morning to you all. I'm Kate Kirby, co-director of the Institute for Theoretical Atomic, Molecular and Optical Physics here at Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics and the Physics Department at Harvard. And I'd like to welcome you all to Cambridge and to this Dalgarno Celebratory Symposium, Contributions to Atomic, Molecular and Optical Physics, Astrophysics, and Atmospheric Physics. This meeting takes place during the 80th birthday year of Professor Alex Dalgarno. His actual birthday was January 5th, but January 5th is not exactly a hospitable time to gather in Cambridge, and I think we should have good weather here for the next 3 days. We're going to be featuring his ongoing scientific legacy, and a legacy that he himself continues to broaden and to build. It's challenging to organize a meeting that reflects the true scope of Dalgarno's research, and thus our program covering selected topics in atomic, molecular, and optical physics and astrophysics and atmospheric physics is really unique in its breadth, and we hope that all of you who come from a number of different scientific research areas enjoy hearing the cross-cutting science that is featured here. I want to especially thank my co-organizers, Jim Babb, ITAMP scientist and a research physicist at SAO, and also Hossein Sadapur, also a research physicist at SAO and ITAMP scientist. And especially, I would also like to thank Lisa Bastille, the ITAMP office administrator, who is extremely skilled and hardworking and has really enabled all the events that we're going to be participating in over the next 3 days. Lisa, I'd like you to stand up, and I want to give you a round of applause. I'd also like to acknowledge the support from the National Science Foundation that has enabled us to run this meeting, and all of ITAMP's programs. This meeting is a little different from our usual ITAMP workshops. First of all, it's 5 times larger than our usual workshops, and there were so many people that we wanted to have speak, but there weren't enough speaking slots to go around. So we've invited the chairs of each session to make a few remarks themselves. We've given them 10 or 15 minutes, and to say a few words or tell a story about Alex. And so the chairs are charged not only with keeping others to time, but to keeping themselves to time as well. And we're looking forward to hearing from everyone. There are a number of people who've brought companions, and we want to make sure that I think in most cases we have folders and name tags for the companions, which are available back at the registration table. And want to be sure that people wear their badges, especially for the conference dinner, because there we really need to make sure that we're just letting people in who have, that we're counting on attending. Wireless is available here at in this building, and you can log in, or when you bring up your browser, the user ID and the password are both visitor. Very easy to remember. There will be a volume of papers resulting from this meeting, which will be published by World Scientific, and there's information about that in your packet. And we also have organized a group photo to take place tomorrow at noon, just before we break for lunch. So the photographer will be here, and the photo will be published in the book of proceedings. So finally, I think we can all look forward to an extremely stimulating meeting, and among the family of Dalgarno-related scientists, all of us whom have benefited tremendously from working with Alex Dalgarno. Great. Bill. Bill Klemperer is the chair of the first session.